Good PM. Ngayon po ay Saturday, July 13, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto. 2 PM draw result ngayong Saturday, July 13, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto. 2 PM draw result ngayong July 13, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, July 13, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 5.9 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 92.5 million pesos for July 13, 2024, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, July 13, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.